always, Alyssa. I hope you guys are all doing good. So guess what? I'm about to reach 1 million subscribers. I'm so excited. So I am making cupcakes right now to celebrate. I just started. David's over there making the frosting. Look how cute these are. Adorable.
Okay. You have it all just so then you can do that.
Okay.
So you go like that, a little more than that much. But this should be clean and it won't spill between. Perfect. It's kind of satisfying.
Alright.
Could I try one?
Trying to get it on the. There we go.
Is that enough? A little more maybe?
No, that's actually fine.
Yeah.
I can start off slow. First batch is done. Yay.
Oh, they look so yummy. They look a little bad. We're just doing our best.
Yeah.
They don't look bad. But they really need is some peel and stick frosting. Where you just peel it and put it on top of the cupcake and done. None of this spreading nonsense.
No, I think it's gonna happen anyway.
Christine's getting really interesting with her cupcake.
Our frosting is
That's just
probably a
probably the
little
first
on the
one.
sticky
It
side.
looks like Alyssa needs to teach you about how to do art.
Okay, let's try.
Check these.
Ooh, these ones look good.
I think it's the consistency.
It needs to be a little runnier. I think it's shred better.
Just about done. Maybe a tiny second longer.
Is that better?
Yeah. That's good.
Maybe that's the problem.
Delicious.
Oh yeah. It's so
And then S. Now I'll do U.
Right? Okay, so S. I'll do the S on this one.
U. Yours is B. And I'll do another S.
Okay, and then this one, B for sub. Correct?
Okay.
Perfect. We have a perfect amount.
One
I think it's cute.
subscribers.
I do too.
oh my gosh.
I can't believe you're reaching 1 million subscribers, Alyssa.
I know.
Alyssa's going to lay down because we can't figure out how else to get this picture, but I promise it's going to be a good picture.
I just reached 1 million subscribers!
I know. I have an idea. Why don't we do an eating contest?
Yes.
Something that some people don't always do, and myself included.
Oh, I'm gonna win this.
I don't think I can
No hands. It's no hands.
It's gonna be fun,
So-
but we all know
We have
who's
to
gonna
take off the
win.
wrapper with that.
Yeah. we're
No,
all
we'll
gonna
take
do
off the
it.
wrapper
Yeah.
first, but everybody, let's pick your cupcake.
I
You
like
released
see.
the plate.
I want
Just
to.
take any.
I like you. I like you.
Okay, don't even yet.
No, I'm gonna get the biggest one.
Okay, you guys are gonna take off your wrappers first. Oh, we can help you.
Taking off my head.
I don't want to do the challenge.
I knew Michael was gonna say that, but Michael, you gotta participate.
Wait.
It's really fun getting a little
I don't want
messy.
to
That's
avoid.
funny. We still want a boy boys so large, teal one, Alyssa.
So all the boys chose a teal cupcake, but Alyssa got pink. Oh, Owen got pink. Does that mean you're excited to have a sister?
And I got the good sprinkles. This is gonna be good.
Owen, does that mean you're excited to have a sister?
Oh, mine's bigger than
What did he say?
He said yeah.
Oh, he's changing.
I'm
Okay, you guys ready?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, Michael, take your wrapper off.
You ready?
You guys ready?
Yeah.
On your mark, get set, go! Oh my gosh, Daddy ate the whole thing in one bite. Owen's using his hands. Well, okay, of the kids, David got first. Chris looks like he about has second place.
I think David actually beat me.
Done.
Wow, David.
Good job.
Because I
Good
had
job,
to swallow
Owen.
my last bite when he showed his mouth. How'd you go?
I predicted David would win.
Man, that's really
Thank
good.
God.
How is that satisfying to eat a whole cupcake in one
It's
bite?
more satisfying if you eat 2 of them.
Says the person who wasn't gonna have fun.
I didn't even get to enjoy it.
Me neither, but it was good.
I didn't
Cake is
enjoy
good.
Wow.
I didn't even get that dirty.
Good job, Alyssa. Group hug for Alyssa reaching a million. Good job, Alyssa. And Owen's getting her cupcake.
Kick out.
Owen's really celebrating.
Well, Owen is actually happy.
He removed the whole top of it with this camera.
Whoa.
And we got the label in there also. Yeah.
Are you still eating?
Appreciate you asking.
You guys just saw Alyssa celebrating reaching 1 million subscribers.
I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much.
Yes.
That's so crazy to believe.
We just thought it wouldn't be right if we didn't take a moment to thank you guys for watching Alyssa's channel.
And subscribing, of course.
Yes.
We
I work
should
on
have a lot of
Alyssa's channel a lot with her. I feel like it's like a mother-daughter thing. We do it together. And sometimes she films alone, but a lot of the time I'm filming her. I don't think Matt has ever filmed.
Probably not.
Yeah, so we love it. It's
It
a
does.
bonding time for us. But I thought we should watch your first video ever because it would be so cute. So
I know.
we're gonna watch that right now. Here is Alyssa's very first video.
My old jingle.
Your first jingle.
Look at the background.
You might already know this, but I have 4 little brothers.
Little brothers. Since I'm the only girl,
4 brothers
I
at that
decided to
time.
create my own
Yep.
channel. It won't be only girly stuff, but it'll definitely be a place where I can show you my sparkly side.
I loved doing the confetti with you.
So cute.
We've always been about confetti and all
I
that kind of
know.
stuff. And your bracelets were really
Thank
cool.
you. So cute.
When I get things going, I plan for
background looks so
weekly
cute.
videos.
We still have
It's
that
going to
background.
be anything cool that I like. Clothing, DIY, crafts, makeup, toys, music, and maybe even cooking. So basically, it's going to be the coolest channel ever. So, be sure to subscribe to my channel, get all of your friends to subscribe to my channel, but most importantly, have fun watching my videos. See you later.
I just love that video.
You're
It's
so
just
cute.
so perfect.
I loved making that little ending for you
I
that said thanks for
know.
watching because it was all colorful.
That was just like a perfect video. I
Yes.
love it.
So that was her first video, which she uploaded 5 years ago. So in 5 years, she's reached 1 million followers.
Wow.
Amazing.
That's insane.
I know. And now she's 15 years old.
I think
Crazy.
they started when I was 10.
I know.
Wow.
Well, you have a lot of great videos, so you guys should watch her old videos. They're cute.
It's so cute.
She used to do so many little DIY things and crafty
Girl
things.
Scouts cookies.
Yes, we made so many things.
Spa day, justice free.
Yes, crafting cards
Many
and
DIY things.
yes, some of them were fails, like that Ferris wheel that
Oh yeah.
didn't really work well. But she
It was
made
so
this.
fun though.
Remember that beanie? She made
Yeah.
a beanie out of like little plastic things. We did a lot of good
Snappies,
stuff.
yeah.
We did a lot of fun things.
I know all of them. I remember just being so fun to film, like all the little toys we had to like build and stuff. It was
Yes.
just so much fun.
We had a good time. This has been fun doing your channel together.
It has.
All right, well, thank you guys for watching. And
Thank you for 1 million.
Yes, oh my gosh.
So
Yay.
exciting. I can't wait to get my play button. That
I
was
know.
so cool.
We are dying for the play button. Oh my gosh. As soon as it comes, we'll take a picture and we'll post it. We'll put in a video.
Yep.
That's what we'll do. Okay, well, see you guys later.
Bye. Thank you.